Hello, I am Pradeep Chamadia, a freelance photojournalist and a blogger. My websites are www.exatraveler.com and www.exablogs.com. I have a travel bug in me, and that makes me a travel photojournalist and a blogger by passion as well as profession. I normally don't plan a trip, but when covering a destination, I make it a point to do some research so that when I'm traveling, I don't miss on anything important at the destination, whether it's a normal touristy area or any undiscovered area. Since 1992, I've been sharing and making places desirable for other travelers through my experiential travel writing and photography. I'm a travel photographer and a photojournalist who can turn a destination into the most sought after. I've been featured in various photo bank websites like Images Bazaar and India Picture. I normally don't write about 10 things to do, 15 places to visit, or 12 tips, or eat at this location or not. But I still make you know about the destinations through my first-hand experience. I have been regularly featured and published in magazines like Discover India, Swagat, Srishti, Terrascape, and newspapers like Times of India, Hindustan Times, Statesman, Sakal Times, Millennium Post, The Pioneer, and websites in India, Nepal, Europe, and USA. And also in a new startup in Spain called the Transcontinental Times. I have also authored a coffee table book on Kailash Mansarovar Yatra in Tibet. I have also won lots of awards in travel contests by Incredible India in India and also Fujifilm Travel Awards in Singapore. I also cover various hospitality, food, lifestyle, technology, health and wellness issues in my features and blogs, as I guess they are more important, in fact very important for a modern day traveler. Being a nature lover, I also cover wildlife and other environmental issues in my features. I'm open for collaborations with various brands and tourism boards for content writing, photography, summits, reviews and promotions, etc. Yes, I do take up various photo shoots and reviews for tourism boards, properties, resorts and restaurants. I also undertake collaborations for reviews, promotions, giveaways for food joints, products, technology, wellness and travel packages on my blogs and social media, and also for putting advertisements, flyers, banners on my websites. We also take up food shoot assignments for restaurants and properties locally in Delhi as well as in India and abroad. Few of the brands I have already worked with are Chhattisgarh Tourism, Gujarat Tourism, Maharashtra Tourism, Nepal Tourism, various travel agencies in Nepal and India, the Tamara Coorg, Crown Plaza, Jaipur, Ashu's, Nokia, Jaipur Watch Company, Artusi Restaurant, and many others. Please connect on the contact details given during the video for a mutually beneficial and viable long-term relationship. Thanks. Do connect for a better future. Thank you very much. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.